my name is Natalie Childers. My job title is Integrator. I'm with Property Management Hampton Roads, and we operate in Virginia, New York, South Carolina, and Indiana. We were originally looking to solve some maintenance issues as far as some just communication, automation, call center issues, things like that. We thought that the Latchel Home Assistant was pretty cool that you guys offered for our tenants. And I was looking to put together a resident benefit package, and what you guys offered had a lot of those needs that I wanted to offer to our tenants. So the biggest benefit that I have found so far and that our tenants have utilized is the home assistant, which is being able to utilize the services as far as the home cleaning assistance, the furniture, coordinating of furniture services, things like that. That is currently what we utilize through Latchel right now, is the home assistant through our resident benefit package. We have generated through all of our lease renewals. We do require our tenants to sign up for our resident benefit package. At the moment, we are a little over 50% signed up for our services through the Latchel Home Assistant. So we are almost have all of our tenants signed up for it at the moment, and any new tenants that sign up. I've had a lot of our tenants lately, within the last 2 months, have utilized the service, especially when they have moved in. A lot of our new tenants have utilized the service as far as cleaning and pest control and stuff. They are responsible for that. So when they've moved in, they've been able to use it. And so we have found a lot of value in being able to offer it. So not having that service in our resident benefit package wouldn't have as much value for our especially new tenants moving in. I would definitely recommend it to other RPMs. It's very easy to sign up, and the onboarding process is also easy to get started. Having an agent there to talk to and having the timeline to look through and what you need to get started, knowing the next steps is very easy, read, and clear. And I would definitely recommend it to anyone in RPM. I love that they check in monthly to see how we are doing. The accounting process is pretty clear. Getting the GL code set up for the monthly reporting is all easy. Yeah, I just love working with you guys, and I would recommend anybody.